just tell me a little short introductions about you?
Okay, Mina, I tell about my introduction. Myself Ajay, I am from Telangana in Hyderabad. Now I am completed my graduation 2021. Now I am preparing for the competitive exams. Say sub inspector. My family background వచ్చేసి agriculture. Yes, ma'am.
That's really cool. Glad to hear you. Really, your parents is belong to farming profession,
Oh,
and you are actually pursuing and some kind of exams for deputy commissioner. Am I right?
yes, yes. Sub inspector, ma'am. Police,
Sub
the police
inspector.
department. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, yeah. That's cool. That's cool. Really
Yes, yes.
awesome. And definitely, I will say that please just try to focus on your studies so that, of course, you also could crack your exams definitely. And so soon, you will become a really, really good police inspector.
Yes, ma'am. I am now studying, and I am free in free time. More free time I will spend on conversation with strangers, like using Talk Now application and in WhatsApp. Uh, yes, because
Okay.
of the my English is beginner level, so improve to my English language. So I will spend in free time with the conversation.
Okay, that's really cool. That's really cool. Glad to hear. And it is really, really it's really honorable that you are trying to improve your English communications. I can ask you one questions.
Okay, ma'am.
That you were saying to me that you are at beginner level, right?
Yes, beginner level. Yes, ma'am. I think I will start about for 1 month back. So I will daily increasing my English speaking skills and reading some storybooks and listening. I will listen some podcasts. So day by day, I will increasing the English grammar and fluency of speaking.
That's
One
good.
month. Yes, 1 month back, I could not speak one word, one line. Now I am daily improving my habits about English. So I will boost myself and speak in English. It's easily.
That's really, really awesome. And really, I must say that I will really appreciate you that you are not able to speak in a single but zero before 1 month. But right now, you have really great confidence. And yeah, because of your confidence, you are speaking really very well, really very well. That is
Uh,
actually really appreciable.
yes, yes, ma'am.
That's really great. So actually, I want to actually have a question. Question is that a lot of beginners also saying that I'm not good at English, but you didn't say like this line. I'm not good at English. So why isn't you not consider to you that you are not good at English?
Yes. It's repeat, madam.
Yeah, of course. My question is that a lot of people also saying that I'm not good at English.
Oh, okay, okay.
So what do you
Uh,
think about this statement?
yeah, I my is if you are some people are speak with perfect grammar rules. So I will assume the I'm not speaking good because of the when some people are perfectly with grammar sentence, but I don't know about the grammar rules. If you are focused, I am focusing on the grammar rules, but I couldn't speaking is easily. I am not focusing on grammar only about all stories. Just what about if you are speaking about anyone, I am not focusing on grammar, only focusing on subject and content. So I can thinking about that side. Oh, okay, I will speak. Yes.
Wow, that's cool. That's cool. And yeah, actually, I do concur with you. I am 100%, 101% agree with you that yeah, if you are learner and if you are trying to improve your English communication, English speaking, especially in the beginning of time when you're just thinking to speak some words or you are thinking to speaking in English, right? So in the
Yes,
beginning
ma'am.
of time, I also must give suggestions to everyone. Don't focus on the grammar. Just
Yes,
trying
exactly,
to
ma'am.
yeah, just trying to focus on the speaking section and listening sections. Both are
Yes,
really
yes,
important.
yes, yes,
Both are really important. So
yes,
no,
ma'am. If you, I am daily I will read newspaper and I will. I will daily separate notes for vocabulary notes. When I have one new words, so I will note down on the separate notebook with English vocabulary.
Wow, that's really great thing.
Yes,
So,
yes.
which newspaper you read?
I will only read newspaper, Hindi. Daily 1 hour. I will read Hindi newspaper. Yes, I will note down the new words and about that word about meaning and say antonym, synonym, and that word about sentence.
Okay, that's cool. So,
Yes, yes.
could you please tell me which words did you learn today?
Today is I can't remember.
Maybe you just learned yesterday. You also can tell me any new words if you learned.
Now suddenly I can't remember about that words. Uh, uh, yeah, lots of what just Nirmal, I will read about articles, issues on the nowadays. So I will difficult words. I will note down the that words. Now I couldn't remember the words. If you give any topic about the topic, I will give the same about topic. Now difficult words. I have more difficult, but how which word is tell about? I cannot remember.
Okay, okay, it is okay, it is okay. No,
Okay.
don't worry, no worries. It is okay. It is really, really pleasant that you are actually focused on your improving, and definitely it is okay. So I want to say only one thing that
Yes, ma'am.
you have already like made a notepad for like wrote down some words when you just learned while the reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you also write down all words in your notepad.
Yes.
Is it
Yes.
good?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I will write down the new words in separate notebook. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
That's really great. That's really great. So you
Yeah.
also prefer to learn those words or not?
Yes, learn, ma'am.
Okay, that's cool. So what will you do with those words? You also trying to use those words while you are speaking or not?
Yes, exactly. When if you are read about like a new topic, in that topic, I remember that new words about that my notebook.
Okay, glad to hear you. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I think when consistently I will follow these rules. When I think a lot of knowledge I will gain this vocabulary from in English.
Exactly, exactly. And while the reading, we also can enhance not only and only only vocabulary. We also can enhance automatically grammar sections as well. We also can get fluency as well. We also can get knowledge as well by the reading section.
Yes, yes, exactly. First of all, in 1 month back, now I will consistently I will follow some English books. I will about speaking or about reading about. I think improving my about strength. In 1 month back, I couldn't interest because of the I am not thinking about that content. In 1 month back my mindset is it's different thinking now. If you continue consistently following some habits, so automatically changing my mindset and thinking process, and the english sentence can day by day I will increasing my habits and english fluency main.
Exactly,
Yes,
exactly.
yes, ma'am.
That's really, really great things and really glad to have
Madam,
you.
I would interesting on if you like any give any topic. Uh, I will speak on about the topic. If you give one topic tomorrow, I will prepare night. I will spend tomorrow. I will conversation with you. It is good.
Definitely,
Yes, yes. This is
definitely.
my habits. Every day with I will spend with 2 or 3 persons. Uh, Maximum 30 minutes, above 30 minutes. Everyone. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
I will see the your YouTube channel. It's lots of strangers with you when it's good. It's good and can you are upload in YouTube channel. It's good.
Use your audio clip now, which I recorded now. So that audio clip I want to record in morning on my YouTube channel. Shall I record this
Sending.
conversation and I will upload on my YouTube channel? Can I do that or not?
Oh yes, ma'am.